Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see the recipe of Kuli Paniyaram. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Also click on the bell icon to get notified. Let's see the ingredients needed. They are finely chopped onion, finely chopped coriander, Bengal gram dal, urad dal and sour dosa batter. Let's see the method. For that, place a karai, add oil and let it heat. Add the Bengal gram dal. Add urad dal. Add the finely chopped onions and mix them well. And let the onions cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm turning off the flame and add the onions in the sour dosa batter, and I'm adding the finely chopped coriander leaves and mix them well. After mixing them well, I'm placing the Paniyaram karai, add some few drops of oil and start pouring the batter. After pouring the batter, also add few drops of oil at the top so it will not get sticked. Flip it when it's cooked. Take it off when it's cooked on both the sides, and I'm transferring it to a hot pot. And it's ready now. Hope you all guys like this recipe. Also subscribe to my channel to see more recipe videos. Thank you for seeing this video till here. Till then, goodbye guys.